God is saying to you today, my lovely child, the old is gone, the new is here. You are the apple of my eye and the delight of my heart. All things are working together for your good. Don't worry, I have not forgotten you. Your prayers were heard. Keep your eyes on me at all times. Don't listen to the voice of discouragement from the enemy. You are just a few steps away from your breakthrough. Don't stop moving forward. Type yes if you believe in me and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.